Intro making hand washing fun for kids. Upbeat background music playing. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where I bring you the best DIY hacks and home improvement tips. If you've ever struggled to get your little ones to wash their hands properly, you're not alone. We all know how important hand hygiene is, especially for kids, but let's be honest, standard faucets aren't always designed with little hands in mind. Today I'm going to share some simple and genius tricks to make your bathroom and kitchen faucets more kid-friendly. Whether it's extending the reach, making hand washing more fun, or adding temperature control for safety, these easy DIY solutions will change the game. Stick around until the end for a bonus trick you won't want to miss. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our awesome DIY tips. Now let's dive in. Why kid-friendly faucets are important? Before we jump into the DIY solutions, let's quickly talk about why this is such a game changer for parents and kids. Encourages good hygiene habits. When kids find hand washing easy and fun, they do it more often. Prevents water wastage. Some faucet extenders and DIY solutions help reduce splashing and excess water flow. Enhances safety. Adjusting water pressure and temperature helps prevent scalding and accidents. Boosts independence. With the right modifications, kids can wash their hands on their own. No stepping stools needed. Now that we know why this matters, let's get started with our first genius trick. Trick hash 1. DIY faucet extender using a plastic bottle. One common problem with standard faucets is that they're too far from the edge of the sink for small hands to reach. Instead of buying an expensive faucet extender, here's an easy zero-cost solution using a plastic bottle. What you'll need: an empty plastic bottle. Small water bottles work best. Scissors or a utility knife. Sandpaper, optional. Tape, optional for extra grip. Step-by-step guide. 1. Choose the right bottle. Find a plastic bottle with a shape that naturally directs water forward. 2. Cut the bottom off. Use scissors or a knife to carefully cut the bottom off the bottle. 3. Make an opening for the faucet. Cut a U-shaped slot on one side of the bottle's neck. This will allow you to slide it over the faucet. 4. Smooth the edges. Use sandpaper to remove any sharp edges. 5. Attach it to the faucet. Slide the neck of the bottle onto the faucet and secure it with tape if needed. Now, water flows closer to the sink's edge, making it easy for kids to wash their hands. Trick hash 2. Turning hand washing into a fun activity. Most kids find washing hands a chore, but what if it felt like a game? Here's how to make it interactive and exciting. What you'll need: colorful waterproof stickers, glow-in-the-dark tape for nighttime hand washing, fun soap dispensers, animal shapes or characters, step-by-step guide. 1. Decorate the faucet area. Use stickers or tape to make it visually appealing. 2. Add a reward system. Place a small sticker chart near the sink. Every time your child washes their hands, they get a star. 3. Use color-changing soap. Some soaps change color as they lather, making it a fun way to ensure thorough hand washing. With these small tweaks, kids will be eager to wash their hands. Trick hash 3. Preventing scalding with a temperature control device. Worried about kids accidentally turning on hot water? You can install a simple temperature control valve. What you'll need: a faucet temperature limiter, available online or at hardware stores. A wrench. Teflon tape. Step-by-step guide. 1. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shutoff valve under the sink. 2. Detach the faucet handle. Use a wrench to loosen the screw holding the handle. 3. Install the temperature limiter. Place it inside the faucet mechanism. 4. Reassemble the faucet. Tighten everything back into place. 5. Test the water temperature. Turn the faucet on and adjust as needed. Now your kids won't be able to accidentally turn the water too hot. Trick hash 4. Motion sensor faucet for easy hand washing. Want a hands-free experience? Convert your regular faucet into a motion sensor faucet with an inexpensive adapter. What you'll need: a touchless faucet adapter, battery-powered. A wrench. Step-by-step guide. 1. Remove the existing faucet aerator. Unscrew it using a wrench. 2. Attach the sensor adapter. Screw it into place where the aerator was. 3. Insert batteries. If required, add batteries to the device. 4. Turn on the water supply. Test the sensor to ensure smooth operation. Now kids can wash their hands effortlessly, just by waving their hands under the faucet. Bonus trick: creating a kid-friendly hand washing station. Why not set up a mini hand washing station? If your sink is too high, here's how to create a portable hand washing setup. What you'll need: a large water jug with a tap, a small basin, a step stool, a soap dispenser. Step-by-step guide. 1. Set up the water jug on a stable surface. 2. Place the basin below to catch water. 3. Add a fun soap dispenser. 4. Teach your child how to use it. This is great for outdoor spaces, camping trips, or even a temporary setup for toddlers. Outro, let's make hand washing easy and fun. And there you have it, simple but genius ways to make hand washing fun, safe, and easy for kids. From DIY faucet extenders to motion sensors, these hacks will help you encourage better hygiene habits at home. Which trick was your favorite? Do you have any DIY faucet hacks of your own? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our amazing home hacks. And remember, small changes can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music fades out. Intro, more fun and easy hacks for kid-friendly faucets. Upbeat background music playing. Welcome back, everyone. If you thought our first set of hacks were cool, wait until you see what we have in store for you today. We're diving into even more creative and practical tips to make your faucets kid-friendly. These ideas are not only fun but also super easy to implement. So let's get started. Trick hash 5. DIY foamy soap dispenser. Kids love bubbles, so why not turn hand washing into a bubbly fun activity? Here's how you can make your own foamy soap dispenser with just a few items. What you'll need: an empty foaming soap dispenser, reuse an old one. Liquid soap, any kind. Water. Step-by-step guide. 1. Clean the dispenser. Make sure your foaming soap dispenser is clean and dry. 2. Mix soap and water. Fill the dispenser with 1 part liquid soap and 4 parts water. 3. Shake well. Secure the lid and shake the dispenser to mix the soap and water thoroughly. Now you have a fun foamy soap that makes washing hands a blast. Trick hash 6. Installing a fun water spout. Add a playful element to your faucet by installing a fun water spout attachment. These are available in various animal shapes and colors. What you'll need: a fun water spout attachment, found online or at stores. Step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your favorite design. Pick an attachment that you know your kids will love. 2. Attach it to the faucet. Follow the instructions to secure it to your faucet. 3. Test it out. Turn on the water to ensure it flows correctly through the attachment. Now, your kids can enjoy watching water come out of their favorite animal. Trick hash 7. Using a timer for hand washing. Make sure your kids are washing their hands long enough by adding a fun timer. What you'll need: a waterproof timer, found online or in stores. Step-by-step guide. 1. Set the timer. Choose a timer that runs for at least 20 seconds. 2. Attach it near the sink. Use suction cups or adhesive to place it where your child can easily see it. 3. Teach your kids. Show them how to start the timer and wash their hands until it goes off. This ensures they wash their hands thoroughly every time. Bonus trick: adding a mirror with fun messages. Kids love seeing their reflections, so why not make it educational? What you'll need: a small mirror, dry erase markers. Step-by-step guide. 1. Install the mirror. Place a small mirror at your child's eye level near the sink. 2. Write fun messages. Use dry erase markers to write encouraging messages or draw fun pictures. 3. Update regularly. Change the messages or drawings to keep it interesting. This makes hand washing a fun and interactive experience. Outro, keeping kid-friendly faucets fun and easy. And there you have it, more creative hacks to make your faucets kid-friendly. From foamy soap to fun water spouts, these tips will keep your kids engaged and excited about hand washing. Which new trick are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome DIY tips. Remember, making small changes can make a big difference in encouraging good hygiene habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music fades out. Intro, advanced techniques for customizing your faucets. Upbeat background music playing. Welcome back, everyone. In this chapter, we'll dive into some advanced techniques for customizing your faucets. These tips will not only make them more fun for kids, but also add a unique touch to your bathroom decor. So, let's get started. Trick hash 8. Glow-in-the-dark faucet handles. Add some magic to your bathroom with glow-in-the-dark faucet handles. This is sure to make nighttime hand washing a fun experience. What you'll need: glow-in-the-dark paint, clear acrylic spray sealer, step-by-step guide, 1. Remove the handles. Carefully remove the faucet handles according to the manufacturer's instructions. 2. Apply glow-in-the-dark paint. Paint a thin layer of glow-in-the-dark paint on the handles. 3. Seal the paint. Once dry, spray a clear acrylic sealer to protect the paint. 4. Reattach the handles. Put the handles back on the faucet. Now your faucet handles will glow in the dark, making hand washing a magical experience. Trick hash 9. Customizable temperature indicators. Help your kids learn about water temperature by adding customizable indicators to your faucet. What you'll need: temperature-sensitive adhesive strips, scissors, step-by-step guide. 1. Cut the strips. Cut the temperature-sensitive adhesive strips to fit your faucet handles. 2. Apply the strips. Stick the strips onto the handles, ensuring they are secure. 3. Test the temperature. Run hot and cold water to see the color changes. This will help your kids understand the difference between hot and cold water, making hand washing safer and more educational. Trick: installing LED faucet lights. Turn your faucet into a mini light show with LED faucet lights that change color with the water temperature. What you'll need: LED faucet light attachment. Step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your LED light. Pick an LED faucet light attachment that fits your faucet. 2. Attach the LED light. Follow the instructions to secure it to your faucet. 3. Test it out. Turn on the water to see the color changes based on temperature. This adds a fun and visually engaging element to hand washing. Outro advanced customization for kid-friendly faucets. And there you have it. Advanced techniques to make your faucets both fun and stylish. From glow-in-the-dark handles to LED faucet lights, these tips will keep your kids excited about hand washing while adding a unique touch to your bathroom. Which advanced trick are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome DIY tips. Remember, making small changes can make a big difference in encouraging good hygiene habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music fades out. Intro recap and additional resources. Soft uplifting background music playing. Welcome to the final chapter. In this section, we'll summarize all the amazing hacks and tips we've covered to make your faucets kid-friendly and fun. Plus, we'll share some additional resources and ideas for further customization. Let's dive in. Quick recap: DIY kid-friendly faucets, fun and easy hacks. We started with simple, easy-to-apply hacks like using colorful rubber bands and installing faucet extenders to make hand washing accessible and enjoyable for kids. Creative faucet hacks to keep kids engaged. We then explored more creative ideas such as using themed faucet covers and fun-shaped spouts to keep kids entertained. Advanced faucet customization techniques. Finally, we delved into advanced techniques like glow-in-the-dark handles, customizable temperature indicators, and LED faucet lights to elevate the fun and safety of hand washing. Additional resources. For more inspiration and detailed guides, check out our blog where we share step-by-step instructions, downloadable templates, and video tutorials. Further customization ideas. Consider adding sensory elements like scented soaps or textured faucet covers to enhance the hand washing experience. Use waterproof stickers or decals to create a themed bathroom that matches your child's interests. From underwater adventures to outer space, thank you for watching. We hope these tips and tricks help make hand washing a fun and engaging activity for your kids. Let us know in the comments which hack was your favorite, and if you have any other ideas to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome DIY tips. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in encouraging good hygiene habits. Outro music fades out.